Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Drugesh from Department of English, Agastmuni Degree College. Today, I'm going to discuss on very important topic of BA first year, that is character of Iago in Shakespeare's Othello. As we all know that Othello is a very famous tragedy in our English literature, and we can count it a very famous tragedy of William Shakespeare. As there is no confusion in characters of the play, we have Othello, the Moor is tragic hero, Desdemona, heroine, and Iago, the villain in the play. He is an ambitious, corrupt man whose revengeful attitude make him the foulest villain in Shakespeare's dramatic world. Through this PPT, I am discussing a very important points of Iago's character, like Iago's ambitions. Iago is ambitious to be Othello's lieutenant. He attempts at pressurizing Othello for it by sending some important persons of Venice, but Othello makes Cassio his lieutenant. Iago has ambitions to get Desdemona also, but his ambitions for having access of wealth is satisfied by fool like Roderigo. So that's why we can say Iago is very ambitious person. Second thing about his character, that is Iago's revengeful attitude. He is very revengeful person, and we can say Iago is revengeful by nature. He is not one of those who forget what happened yesterday and concentrate on tomorrow. He is such a revengeful, hardcore villain who intends to destroy the wall of that man who dared to hurt him even once in life. Like we have example Othello. It gives him the greatest pleasure that his enemy is suffering miserably under the charges of those crimes that he had never done in his life. This attitude is exposed more clearly when Iago claimed that he takes revenge on mere suspicions that somebody even tried to harm him, and that's why he take revenge with Othello and Desdemona also. Next thing about his character, that is Iago's ill will against Othello and Desdemona. Iago, as we noticed, is very conspires against Othello in the style of Saturn in Paradise Lost. He knows that physical suffering is nothing before mental suffering. He plans to disturb Othello's peace of mind, and Othello has neither father nor mother nor children. If he wishes to find out a weak target to cause mental agony to Othello, he is bound to attack Desdemona, whom Othello loves very much, and Iago hopes to get success, for Othello has utmost faith in him. It is easy for Iago to make Othello suspicious of Desdemona's faithlessness to him, for there is so much differences in their physical appearance, as Desdemona is very beautiful, fair lady, while Othello is black, old and ugly. Iago's first aim is to create inferiority complex in Othello's mind. Because of the sense of inferiority, Othello would easily believe in it and suffer from mental agony. So that is the plan of Iago's, and he thinks this situation may open a window of opportunity for him, and if Othello is angry with Cassio, he may replace him with Iago on the post of lieutenant. So that is the plan of Iago. Next thing about Iago's character, that is Iago's satanic personality. How we can say that Iago is a satanic personality? As we have many examples in this play. Like Iago is incarnations of Saturn. He declared already, I am not what I am. He proved it, for he meets all as sympathizer. All have blind faith in him. Even he is honest Iago for Othello. When Cassio loses his job, he goes to seek guidance from Iago. When Othello calls Desdemona war, she asks Emilia to call Iago, who console her to cool down. So here we notice how all characters believe on him. So this is his next like a character sketch in his personality. So this heading I am explaining how Iago's use other characters in this play. And here first example we have Cassio, who is the first victim of Iago. Cassio never drink in excess, for it does not suit his nature. If he drink in excess, he act unwisely and violently. Iago decides to exploit this weakness, and he sings and forces Cassio to drink in excess. Cassio is highly intoxicated, and now he behaved like a foolish. He quarreled with Roderigo even, and at the same time Othello visit the place and find Cassio at fault. It is intolerable to Othello that his lieutenant acts so foolishly. He dismissed Cassio from the post, and Iago fulfilled his first mission here. Next target of Iago is Desdemona. Desdemona is Iago's second victim. When Cassio visits Desdemona, Iago takes Othello to show him Cassio and Desdemona talking together. Emilia tells Othello is coming. Hearing it, Cassio slips away and Othello marks it. Iago gets opportunity to poison Othello's ear against Cassio and Desdemona. When Desdemona pleads for Cassio, Othello thinks she is doing so for she is corrupt with him. But Desdemona is very innocent. She doesn't know anything about that matter. The more she pleads for Cassio, the more Othello suspects Desdemona's character. Iago claims that such a man is happy that know that his wife is corrupt. In that case, he hates his wife and take the situation as a part of his destiny. But that man is unfortunate who love his wife yet doubt that she is faithless to him, and he suspects as well as love her. So that is second plan of Iago, which fulfilled by the Desdemona. Third victim of Iago is Othello. Iago is getting success step by step. As we noticed here, he has succeeded in shaking Othello's faith in Desdemona. Othello pretends that firmness of his faith in his wife, but demand for solid proof suggests that the faith is shaken to some limit. Othello claimed if he had such a weak faith in his wife, he would have been a goat. If his wife is a beautiful, frank, and enjoyed herself in parties with singing and dancing, he shall not be jealous. He has no sense of inferiority, having thought, well, she chose him. Iago should produce some reveal evidence before him, only then he may suspect his character. He wants solid proof, and if there is proof, he shall decide her fate immediately. And Iago used handkerchief here with the proof of faithlessness of Desdemona's character. So here Othello also become victim by Iago's. Fourth character we have Roderigo. Roderigo is last victim of Iago. Iago has become lieutenant as Othello has resolved to kill Desdemona. To execute Othello's order, he has to kill Cassio. Iago decides to use Roderigo to kill Cassio. If Roderigo kill Cassio or Cassio kill him or they kill each other, his purpose is solved. So that is the plan of Iago. How he used Roderigo and how he used money of Roderigo. Roderigo is a very foolish person here. Accordingly, Roderigo attacked, but Cassio is only wounded and Roderigo too is wounded. Iago killed Roderigo for he knows many secrets of Iago. So now we can see that how Iago used other character in this play just because of fulfill to his own purpose. At the end, we see here Iago pretends sympathy for Cassio and takes him for dressing with the help of others, but Roderigo's letter found in his pocket expose Iago's weakness. Emilia has already disclosed the truth of the handkerchief in front of Othello. Iago is presented as a prisoner before Cassio, the present governor of Cyprus, because Othello already dead. It establishes poetic justice, but Iago as the intriguer has ruined Othello, Desdemona, Cassio and Roderigo. So we can say Iago is the villain in Shakespeare's great tragedy Othello. So this is the character sketch of Iago, and we can say that Iago is a great villain in our English literature, and I hope this video will help you for your exams. Thank you.